as you guys saw, the intonation wasn't right on that string, so I'm adjusting it. The string needs to sound the same at open string, press of the 12, and the harmonic. That's basically how you intonate a guitar. And for that adjustment, you just move the saddle either closer to the nut or farther back from the nut, and it should be able to give you the correct pitch. It's always a bit of a trial and error until you get the right spot for the strings. If you change from E to E flat like I play, or C sharp, or drop D, or anything like that, you have to reset up your guitar. Otherwise it won't intonate right. The strings are not gonna be as low as they could be, and it's gonna be very uncomfortable to play it. So every time you change something, you gotta change the setup. And that's it, guys. This is what it looks like after we did our thing. And let me know in the comments if you're using any of these best practices or tips and tricks or the products that I'm using. I want to know what you guys are doing at home with this stuff.